Let's make fantasy Pongal delight using Sunfeast Dark Fantasy. And for me, no Pongal celebration is complete without Chakra Pongal. Anna, in the varsho, I have decided to give this traditional dish a Sunfeast Dark Fantasy twist. So in the base pandradhukku, crush the Sunfeast Dark Fantasy cookies and to this add all the other ingredients like butter, flour and vanilla bean paste. Mix these to form a soft dough. Now roll these and cut it into rectangles and bake it. And ஒரு டெலிஷியஸான சக்கரை பொங்கல் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஒரு குக்கரில் அரிசி பருப்பு ட்ரை ரோஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. To this add water and cook till it's soft and mushy. And jaggery syrup பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஒரு panல add jaggery, water and let this come to a rolling boil. To this add the cooked rice along with ghee and cardamom powder. Mix this really well and your delicious சக்கரை பொங்கல் is now ready. And இந்த cookies எவ்வளோ அழகா பேக் ஆயிருக்கு. Now to assemble the delight, start by layering pongal in cardamom cream. Finish it with some chocolate ganache and lots of fresh strawberries. Try making this delicious version of Chakra Pongal, the Fantasy Pongal Delight, and also don't forget to share your recipes in the comments below. Happy Pongal!